In today's video, i-discuss natin kung paano mag-list at magbenta ng products sa TikTok Shop kahit total beginner ka pa lang. What's up guys? My name is Ashley at kung nagsascroll ka sa TikTok lately, malamang napapansin mo na yung maliit na shopping bag icon na biglang lumalabas sa mga videos. Yun yung TikTok Shop. Mabilis na siya naging isa sa mga pinaka-exciting na way para magbenta ng products online because it lets you reach people where they are already spending time. At sobrang dali talaga nitong gawin. Simple lang ang pagbili. Ang pinaka-best part, yung TikTok Shop, hindi lang siya para sa mga big brands, pati mga small businesses, creators, at kahit mga dropshippers, ginagamit na rin siya para mag-build ng bagong income streams. So today, i-breakdown ko exactly kung paano gumagana yung TikTok Shop, kung paano ka magsisimula, at yung mga practical steps para malist yung first product mo. So let's get into it. First off, ano ba yung TikTok Shop? Yung TikTok Shop is yung built-in e-commerce platform mismo ng TikTok. It allows you to sell product directly inside the TikTok app without sending people off to a separate website. Here's how it works in simple terms. You apply to become a TikTok Shop seller, you upload your products into TikTok system, and after nun, pwede mo nang itag yung mga products na yon sa videos mo or even run live shopping events. Kapag may nakakita ng video mo, pwede lang nilang itap yung shopping bag icon, i-view yung product, at mag-checkout agad nang hindi umaalis sa TikTok. So why is this so powerful? Kasi yung TikTok has one of the most engaged audiences in the world. People aren't just scrolling passively, nag-i-interact sila, nagko-comment at talagang bumibili dahil sa mga trends. Kinukuha ng TikTok Shop yung attention na yon and directly kinoconnect siya sa actual na pagbili. Ngayon, bakit ba importante ang TikTok Shop para sa mga business and creators? Binubuksan ng TikTok Shop yung opportunity sa tatlong malaking paraan. Una, tinatanggal niya yung friction. Normally kasi you would have to push viewers to click a link in your bio, leave the app, mag-load ng website at dumadaan pa sa buong checkout process. With TikTok Shops, everything happens inside the app, which means fewer drop-offs and more completed purchases. Second, it helps you ride trends. Mabilis gumalaw ang TikTok at pwede mag-viral yung products mo overnight. Ang TikTok Shop, hinahayaan kang i-link mismo yung product mo sa mga trending content, so when people are excited, they can buy instantly. And third, actively talagang pinopromote ng TikTok yung TikTok Shop. Ibig sabihin madalas mas generous yung algorithm sa mga sellers, pushing shoppable content higher because TikTok wants this feature to succeed. Early adopters definitely may advantage talaga dito. Okay, ngayon, let's go step by step how to set up and list products. So step number 1 is mag-apply ka muna sa TikTok Shop Seller Center. Mag-umpisa ka sa pag-click ng link na nasa description sa baba tapos mag-sign up ka gamit yung TikTok account mo. Hihingi si TikTok ng ilang business details, kasama na yung name mo, address, and identification. Kung registered business ka, pwede mong i-provide yung actual business license mo. Kung solo creator ka lang, pwede ka mag-setup bilang individual seller. So para makapag-sign up, gaya ng sabi ko, i-click mo lang yung link tapos ilalagay mo yung email and phone number mo. Tapos siguraduhin mong bukas ang email mo kasi kailangan mong i-type ang code na ipapadala. After nun, go ahead and click mo na yung continue. So ngayon, sagutan na natin yung ilang questions. Piliin mo muna yung seller, tapos i-click yung next. Then dito makakapili ka kung individual ka, sole proprietor, corporation, or partnership. So then from here, you will enter in your identification and then submit your application. Step number 2 naman is set up yung store profile mo. Sa loob ng Seller Center, you'll create your store name, upload a logo, and make sure your information matches what's on your ID or business documents. Super importante nito kasi vini-verify ni TikTok lahat bago kanila i-approve. Step number 3 naman is mag-add ka na ng product. So you will just click add product, upload a clear product image, write a title, and fill in the details category, description, price, and stock. Mas accurate at mas descriptive ka, mas maganda kasi mas kayang i-recommend ng TikTok yung product sa tamang shopper. Step number 4 naman is set up yung shipping information mo. So, si TikTok, kailangan mong specify kung paano may papadala yung products, yung handling time, at kung anong carriers ang gagamitin. Kaya siguraduhin mong realistic yung shipping time na ilalagay para alam ng buyers kung ano yung expect nila. Step number 5 naman is isubmit siya for review. So, TikTok checks all new products to make sure they meet guidelines. Once ma-approve, magiging live na yung products mo and pwede mo na silang itag sa videos mo. Ngayon, paano ba magbenta sa TikTok Shop? Once your products are listed, listing your product is just the first step. The real magic happens when you connect your TikTok content to your products. Pwede mong itag yung products mo sa short form, TikToks mo. For example, if you post a video using your product, you can add a product link so viewers can see a little shopping bag icon on the video. Sobrang powerful nito kasi yung mga tao na interested na, isang tap lang, pwede na agad bumili. Pwede ka rin mag-run ng live shopping events. So habang naka-live ka, pwede mong i-showcase yung mga products, sagutin yung mga questions nila at ipin yung items sa screen para makabili yung viewers habang nanonood sila. Live shopping has been huge in other countries at ngayon pinupush na rin siya ng TikTok sa US. Another option is makipag-collaborate ka sa mga TikTok creators. So TikTok Shop allows you to make your products available for affiliates. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng i-promote ng influencers yung product mo sa videos nila tapos kikita sila ng commission sa bawat sale. This is such a great way to scale quickly if you don't have a large audience yourself. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of TikTok Shop. Isa sa pinakamalaking pros nito ay pinapanatili ng TikTok yung buyers sa loob mismo ng app. People can see a product in a video, tap the shopping bag icon, and check out in seconds nang hindi na de-direct to another site. Dahil doon mas tumataas talaga yung conversion rates kumpara sa usual na link and bio process. Another major benefit pa nito is kung gaano ka-solid yung pagka-connect ng TikTok Shop sa trends. Products can go viral overnight and when people are excited, they can buy instantly without leaving TikTok. Si TikTok na rin yung nag-handle ng checkouts and payments kaya nabibuild yung trust. Customers feel safer inside the app kahit na from small and new brands. And finally, sobrang pinopromote talaga ni TikTok yung features na to. That means shoppable posts and live shopping events often get an algorithm boost, giving you more exposure than a standard post would. Now for cons, yung biggest drawback nito is yung commission na kinukuha ni TikTok sa bawat sale. Nababawasan yung profit margin mo. Kaya kailangan talaga maging maingat ka magpresyo ng products mo. Another challenge naman is yung shipping. Na-expect ng customers na mabilis yung delivery at kapag mabagal or hindi consistent yung fulfillment, pwedeng ma-penalize ni TikTok yung account mo. Yung TikTok Shop, medyo bago pa rin siya. Kaya madalas nagbabago ang rules at mga features. Ibig sabihin, kailangan talagang flexible yung mga sellers at ready silang mag-adapt sa mga changes. And finally, kailangan talaga ng effort para mag-success. Hindi pwedeng mag-list ka lang ng products tapos maghihintay ka na lang na mapansin. Kailangan mo na magandang content at kung hindi ka comfortable gumawa ng TikToks or mag-live, mas magiging mahirap talaga makakuha ng traction. So, para sa iba talaga ang TikTok Shop at dapat ka ba magsimula magbenta ngayon? Kung gumagawa ka ng content sa TikTok or meron kang product na visually appealing and swak na swak sa short videos, ang sagot is absolutely yes. Isa na to sa pinakamabilis na way ngayon para gawing revenue yung attention. At kung hindi ka pa comfortable gumawa ng TikToks ngayon, you can still list your products and work with affiliates while you build up your own content. The important thing is to get your store set up early. Kasi kapag early adopter ka, may edge ka talaga sa algorithm ng TikTok. So, kung ready ka na mag-set up ng TikTok Shop o mag-list ng products, gamitin mo yung exclusive link namin sa description sa baba. Lastly, gusto lang i-touch yung ilang tips para mag-success ka sa TikTok Shop. May ilang strategies na pwedeng makatulong para mabilis kang makakita ng results. Siguraduhin mong high quality yung mga product photos and videos mo. Visual platform talaga ang TikTok kaya sobrang importante ang presentation. Keep your description clear and keyword friendly so TikTok knows when to recommend your products. I-promote mo rin yung shop mo gamit ang consistent at TikTok post na pinapakita ang products mo habang ginagamit. Subukan mo kahit at least isang live shopping event para makita mo kung paano mag-respond yung audience mo. And lastly, consider mo ring buksan yung products mo para sa affiliates because that can put you in front of so much larger audience. Bago natin tapusin tong video, gusto ko lang i-remind na yung pagbebenta online pwedeng sobrang overwhelming talaga sa umpisa. Laging may bagong tools, bagong platforms, and new strategies na kailangan aralin. And TikTok Shop is still young, which means the opportunity is wide open. If you start now, mauuna ka sa karamihan ng mga tao at sabay kang lalago habang nagde-develop yung platform. Again, nasa baba yung link, doon ka mag-approve, makasetup ka ng store mo at makakapag-start ka mag-list ng product ASAP. So that wraps up this video. Yung channel na to ay dedicated sa pagtulong sa'yo mag-build smarter e-commerce stores and showing you the best tools to grow online. Kung nakatulong sa'yo ang video na to, siguraduhin mong mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel namin and mag-iwan ng comments or questions below. Gusto naming marinig yung feedback nyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa next video.